Merry Christmas, everybody. Thought I'd take a second. I haven't been doing much videos. Yeah, food's been in and out. But, as you can tell, I got this little Coleman doohickey here because I haven't got the cooking setup done back in here yet. So I'm kind of, I don't know. Can you see that? I don't know. Yeah. So anyway, it's Christmas morning. We've only spoken to one of the relatives. Gotta still call my sister and some other stuff. And go see the missus, Linda, after a while and all. So we're just trying to, got 20 over there. The kitty. Take a look, see? And then Lizzie's over there. And we're just chilling out, having Christmas. Thought I'd see if I make a short video, say Merry Christmas to everybody. And, all that good sort of stuff. I hope everybody's staying warm, doing their thing. Pretty nice. So anyway, thought I'd say Merry Christmas. This little stove, about, I think it's $89 or something. It's kind of nice. It's got a nice griddle, and there's also a hot plate that you can put on this. That actually, it's flat griddle, basically. You can use one of these in here. It'd be better to be under your grill, your vent, but don't grill a hamburger on it with the grills unless it's right under there, because they'll be thinking you're on fire by the time you're done. It will smoke you out. Don't do that. Use the, it does have a grease catcher and everything. It's pretty nice. Anyway, short video. I'm going to try to get back into some other stuff, and right now it's just a matter of breakfast and wait for stuff to show up. So anyway, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Everybody behave, watch yourself. Remember, alcohol's fine. It takes off the tension in the brain, but don't do enough of it where it takes off common sense. Have a good holiday, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.